Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to get both lobbies in Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 3. Well, actually this is very simple. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Fortnite main screen, go to your icon, and you have to add a new friend. So what we have to look here, we have to look for 68 bot lobbies. So you press enter and you have to add as a friend one of these accounts, and this have accepted me, so I have to invite this account to my group. And if it doesn't join, and it will join your lobby, so you have to press already and you have to wait to the bot to accept the match. In case that this is not accepting the match, you can leave this lobby and you go to play, and directly you will be able to play with bots. Also, if the bot is not available right now, you can add another number like this. For example, instead of 68 you can look for 58 and you have to add as a friend and you have to invite to the group. So it joined to the group, you start the match, and then you leave the lobby and you play one for all. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell and the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.